Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can select the blank cell you have in your Excel spreadsheet simultaneously and add any text you want in all of them at once. I know this may be very easy for many of you, but if you do not know and fall in such a situation where you need to select and enter specific data in these blank cells, then this trick can be very handy for you and will save lot of time if you have huge data. So let me take you to the trick. First of all, as you can see, I have this data in my sheet and few cells are blank, and if I go and select each cell and blank cell and enter data manually will consume lot of time, but I will show you how you can quickly select all these blank cell at once. You just need to select and click here to select all the spreadsheet cells and rows and columns and hit F5 on your keyboard and then press special and select blank. What this will do, it will select only the blank cell you may have in your spreadsheet. Now the main part, now you want to enter some specific text into all these blank cells simultaneously. You just need nothing, you just start typing whatever you want to have in these blank cells. So I am just using demo word, and I want to have this demo word automatically fill into all these blank cell I have. What I will do, I will just press Ctrl and then press enter, and it will automatically enter the word demo in all these selected blank cells. I hope you like the video and thanks for watching.